How to make your Facebook profile private on mobile. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Facebook app. Once you're on the Facebook app, you want to go to the bottom right-hand corner and select Menu. From here, you want to click the cog in the top right-hand corner. This will take you to Settings and Privacy, and from here, you want to select Privacy Checkup. And in Privacy Checkup, in the top left-hand corner, you should see who can see what you share. You want to select that. There will be your profile information, posts and stories, blocking. And these are the things that it'll run through with you, so you want to click Continue. From here, it'll give you your personal or profile information and who can see it. So as you can see on my phone number, only I can see it. My date of birth, only my friends can see it, work, friends. So if I want to change that, all I'll do is select the drop-down arrow where it says Only Me, and I can change it to Public, Friends, Only Me, or Close Friends. And you can do the same with your phone number, email address, date of birth, work, etc. And once you're happy with who can see your profile information, you want to select Next. Here, it'll ask who can see your posts and stories. And you can do the same thing again and select the drop-down menu and change it from Friends to Public to whoever you'd like to see. Or if you want to limit past posts, you can change that by selecting Limit. And once you're happy with that, you can then go Next. So if you want to block some people from viewing your profile, you can do that and add it here. And once you're happy with that, select Next. It will then say you're all set, and then you can select Review Another Topic. And that's how you make your Facebook profile private.